All right, we'll just start recording now. They can pause it and fill in the blanks. All right, so from that 57.72, how much am I going to pay? I'm going to pay $10, right? So subtract $10 now, what's the balance? $47.72. That amount gets carried over to our July 1st bill. So we're going to start with a previous balance of $47.72. I am going to multiply that amount by 2.1%. You get $1. All right, so the balance with the interest would be $48.72. From that, how much are you paying? $10. Every month you're paying off $10. That's the minimum payment. So now your balance is what? $38.72. Any questions? All right, so August 1st rolls around, and you're starting with a balance of $38.72. What's your interest charge this month? So 38.72 times 2.1%, what do you get? 0.813. So we'll just round that to 81 cents. So 38.72 plus 0.81. What's your balance now? $39.53. Okay, and how much are you paying? $10. What's your balance now? $29.53. You will start September 1st with a balance of $29.53. How much interest will you get charged that month? 0.62, so 62 cents. You need to round. You need to round to the nearest cent. That's how money works. All right, so we have $29.53 plus 62 cents. Now what's the balance? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone at all? What? $30.15. You are only sending in a payment of what? $10. So subtract 10 from that, and you get $20.15. All right, fast forward to October. I mean, by now you're probably not even wearing these shoes. They're almost a year old. I mean, you're still paying and paying and paying and paying. They're not even shiny anymore. All right, so 2015, we're getting charged another 2.1%. So how much is that? 0.42. So 42 cents. Good. So $20.15 plus 42 cents is what? $20.57. Once again, you are just sending in the minimum. 10. Now you owe $10.57. All right, another month comes and goes. Your carryover balance is $10.57. How much interest are you getting charged? $0.22. Good. Now, add that to $10.57. $10.79. Now, realistically, you'd probably just send in $10.79 at this point. You'd spend the extra 79 cents and be done with it. But we're going to stick to the directions. We're only going to pay $10. You still owe 79 cents. You better believe they're going to send a bill for 79 cents. They'll spend more in postage than probably it's worth. All right. So you have 79 cents carrying over. How much are you going to pay in interest this month? So 0.016. So I'm going to round that to 2 cents. So that's going to be 81 cents. Can you pay $10 if you owe 81 cents? No, that would be silly. So this time we're only going to pay 81 cents. And finally, our balance is $0. Any questions? Now, we're not done because it asks us how many months did it take us. If you were paying no more than $10, it would take you how many months?
Miss Monday. When the last time, don't you still take $10 away? 12.
Hold on.
Don't you still got to take $10 away?
If you take $10 away, then they're going to owe you $9.19.
That's what I did. That's what I did.
Well, you don't pay more than you owe.
Well, it just says determine how extra you have to pay above.
Well, we're getting ready to do that part. But yeah, if your bill isn't more than $10, you would never pay more than you owe someone.
Would I get that wrong?
Yeah. It's more like in real life you would be losing $9 for no reason. So yeah, you need to pay attention to that. If you don't owe $10, you wouldn't pay $10. All right, so it takes 12 months for you to pay for these shoes. Now, this says, determine how much extra you had to pay above $100 because you bought the shoes on credit. So, here's where a little extra math comes into play. This is all the money you've been paying. Okay, so let's add up that column. You don't even need a calculator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You pay $10 11 times.
So 10 times 11.
Yep.
110.
So you paid $110, and then the last month you paid 81 cents, right? So how much of this is extra above the $100 that the shoes cost? How much above 100 is that number? $10.81. So you paid an extra $10.81 just to the credit card company in interest payments. Now, again, that doesn't actually seem too shocking. I don't think that's terrible. The problem is that most people don't just charge one pair of sneakers, pay it off every month, and then be done with it. They're continuing to charge and charge and charge and charge and charge. So if you only spend $100 and this was your scenario, you would be just spending $10.81 extra on interest payments. Any questions? All right, so flip to the back. And this is what your assignment is. So you're going to do it one more time. This time you're using a credit card to purchase a cell phone. So the numbers are a little bigger, but it's the same interest payment. And now your minimum payment has gone up. Instead of a $10 minimum, it's a $50 minimum. And instead of a $100 purchase, it's a $500 purchase. But the math you're going to be doing is the exact same. Okay? So you have the next 21 minutes in here. We'll be walking around to give you assistance. If you want to check in periodically, I have this worksheet completed. If you're worried you did a line wrong and you don't want to do the remaining lines wrong, because once you're wrong on one number, the whole thing will be wrong, you know what I mean? So if you want to check in every couple lines, every couple months, and make sure you have the right numbers still, you can. I'll have this open up on my computer. Any questions?
Nope.